Hello beautiful people, karibuni katika darasa la leo. Welcome back to today's Swahili lesson. Jina langu Jacinta. My name is Jacinta and I'm happy to be back again to give you some nice content on this beautiful Swahili language. So if you're new to this channel, feel much welcome. Karibu sana. Karibu sana. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly take your time to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any video that I upload on Swahili language, okay? In this class, I'm going to teach you very important phrases that I told myself will be important to you as a learner, okay? When you travel, when you visit a Swahili speaking country, you need to have this on your fingertips, okay? So I'm just here to remind you in case you've forgotten or in case you don't know, you're now going to know today, right? So let's get right into today's Swahili video. So these are some of the phrases that I'm going to take you through in Swahili, right? They are very important, especially when you meet a person, okay? So the first one is very simple. Hujambo. Hujambo. I know most of you have heard of this phrase, jambo, okay? Those who have watched Lion King, those who have at least done some history about Swahili, you know the word jambo. So if you say hujambo in Swahili, it simply means hello, okay? Hujambo, hello to someone. Hujambo, it's hello to one person, okay? And then the second one is also a greeting, which is habari gani, habari gani. So the word habari in Swahili, it means news. The word habari always means news. So someone wants to know, okay, how are you doing? What's your news today? Okay, anything new that you want to talk about? So habari gani is simply translated to how are you? Okay, someone needs to know something about you, any news. Okay, so how are you in Swahili we say habari gani. Okay, habari gani. All right. And then the third one is mambo vipi. Mambo vipi. This is also a very common greeting that is used with the Swahili native speakers. Mambo vipi. How is it? Okay, it's a slang way of greeting. Mambo vipi. How is it? Yeah. So that's how we say it. And then the fourth one is a response that you can give to hujambo, and it's si jambo. So if I greeted you with hujambo, you simply reply si jambo, okay? Si jambo to mean I am fine. Hujambo, si jambo, I am fine, okay? Can you try that? Hujambo. All right, hope you've said si jambo, okay? To mean I am fine. So going back, if someone greets you with habari gani, how are you? You can simply answer nzuri. You can answer nzuri to mean I'm good, to mean good. Habari gani, nzuri. So let's try this. Habari gani, nzuri, right? That's how we answer. And then the third one, mambo vipi. Someone comes to you and say, mambo vipi. You can simply answer with this. Poa, very simple. Poa, just a 3-letter word. Poa, okay? Mambo vipi. Poa, right? We're gonna try again. Mambo vipi. Poa, like that. All right, so the first three are some of the Swahili greetings which are very important. Hujambo, si jambo. Mambo vipi? Poa. Habari gani? Nzuri. Yeah, hope you've gotten that. All right, so let's continue. Another thing that you can tell someone, jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? And this means, what is your name? Jina lako ni nani? So let's begin with the word jina. Jina is a Swahili word which means name, okay? Jina, name. And then we have lako, your, okay? Ni is nani in this context. Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Okay, someone wants to know your name. Very simple in Swahili. Jina lako ni nani? Hope you can see that clear. Jina lako ni nani? So if I asked you, Jina lako ni nani? Do you know how to answer? Very simple. You come and say, Jina langu ni, Jina langu ni. So you see there's a little change in this sentence. The first one we had lako. And now the second one has changed to langu because you're referring to your name now. You're saying jina langu ni, which means my name is. Jina langu ni, my name is. And then you can go ahead and put in your name. So are we going to try? I'm going to ask you and then try to answer. Jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? So I hope you answered by saying Jina langu ni and then put your name. Jina langu ni. That's why you hear me say this a lot when beginning the lessons. Jina langu ni Jacinta. So I'm very glad that up to this point you know how to ask somebody's name and how to answer, okay? Then the seventh one I have is unatoka wapi? Unatoka wapi? This is also very interesting to know because you want to know where someone is from. So the word unatoka, the sentence unatoka wapi simply means where are you from? Unatoka wapi? Where are you from? And then I need you to realize one thing with Swahili questions. The intonation towards the end are kind of rising, okay? For it to sound like a question. Unatoka wapi? You see that? Unatoka wapi? So that's how we say when dealing with questions in Swahili. You do try to rise the intonation towards the last word. Unatoka wapi? Where are you from? All right. So how to answer? Ninatoka, I come from. Ninatoka, I come from, or I am from, and then you put in the place where you are from. You can put in the country, you can put in the town because it's just an open question. Ninatoka, I come from. Yeah. So unatoka wapi? Then you say ninatoka. If you come from Tanzania, say ninatoka Tanzania. If you come from Rwanda, you say ninatoka Rwanda. If you come from the United States, you say ninatoka Marekani. Okay? So that's how you say it. And then the other one that I have is a very important word that you need to know. Asante. Asante. So many people ask, how do I say thank you in Swahili? So here we go. You just say asante. Okay? Asante. Thank you. Asante. Thank you. Okay? Let's continue. So the next one that we have is hapana asante. Hapana asante. And this simply means no thank you. It's very good. It's very nice to know how to say no thank you because it's not in all situations that you'll be accepting things or you'll be saying yes. Sometimes you just have to say no thanks or no thank you. So in Swahili we say hapana asante. Remember, asante was thank you, and now I've introduced hapana, which means no. So saying hapana asante means no thank you, right? All right. The other one is I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Like right now, I'm happy to see you watching my video, even if I can't see you. All right. So you want to tell someone, I am happy to see you. You'll say, Nina furaha kukuona. Okay. Nina furaha kukuona. So the word furaha in Swahili is happiness. Happiness, furaha. So if you're having that kind of happiness to see someone, then you say, Nina furaha kukuona, which means I am happy to see you. Nina furaha kukuona. I am happy to see you, right? And the person can simply answer, me too, by saying, Mimi pia. Okay, me too, which is Mimi pia in Swahili. Hope you can see that. Okay, we have Mimi pia, and Mimi is me, and then pia too. So Mimi pia, which is me too. So if I say to you, Nina furaha kukuona, Mimi pia, you say me too, or you just say asante, which is thank you, right? All right, so let's continue. The next one that we have is kwaheri. Kwaheri, which means goodbye. Kwaheri. And this is how we say it. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. Okay, you're waving at someone when you are finished talking to someone and now the person is leaving. What to say? Kwaheri, which means goodbye. Kwaheri. Yeah, kwaheri, and that means goodbye. So maybe you want to tell someone, see you later, see you later, okay? You finished your conversation and you want to tell your friend, see you later. So you say, tutaonana baadaye. Tutaonana baadaye. Can you try? Tutaonana, tutaonana, and then we have baadaye. Okay, tutaonana baadaye. Try to go with me. Tutaonana baadaye, which means see you later. So the word baadaye means later. Okay, tutaonana, see you, and then baadaye, later. Right. And then the last ones that I have is how to say yes and no. Okay. So how to say yes in Swahili, you simply say ndio. Okay. Ndio. Ndio. I want you to try and get the pronunciation clear. So we have N, we have D. So we have to pronounce them all together. Remember, in Swahili, we do not have any silent letters that we don't pronounce. We try to pronounce all the letters. So we have N, okay? N. And then we have D. So ndio. If you put them together, ndio, okay? Are you seeing how my tongue is moving? Ndio, ndi, okay? Ndio. So ndio, ndio. And that's how we say yes. Ndio, like a native. Can you try? Ndio, okay, to mean yes. And then hapana is very simple. It means no. Hapana. So that one is very easy to pronounce. You just say ha-pa-na. Hapana. Okay? Hapana. Hapana. Which means no. So we have ndio, yes. Hapana, no. Hapana, no. Ndio, yes. Kwaheri, goodbye. Hapana, asante. No, thank you. All right. Thank you so much for watching. This will be very helpful. Try and practice at home. Try and share with your friends who want to also learn Swahili language. And I will be very thankful for that. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe. You can support this channel by subscribing, like the video, and also remember to share. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Kwaheri, tuonane baadaye. Okay? Kwaheri.